guys, last minute, I'm getting ready to cook in the Instapot. I'm doing black-eyed peas. These are from Publix. You can get any brand. But stay tuned. I'm going to get ready to do it. I do not have all the ingredients I would like to have, so I'm just doing what I have in my pantry. And so I'll be right back. Hey guys, back. I've got butter in the pot. I've got olive oil. I've done about 4 tablespoons of olive oil and about 1/4 of a stick of butter. And I'm going to saute my onions. I did 1 small onion, or it might be, it's between a small and a medium onion. Just a regular onion. You can do sweet onions. In fact, I like sweet onions better, but these are the white onions. So this is what I had in my pantry. I'll be right back. Okay, the butter and the olive oil is starting to sizzle a little bit. I'm going to put in these onions, the 1 onion, and I'm going to saute this for just a few minutes. I want to get some flavor in those peas. I have some salt and pepper I'm going to put in there. I'm just putting enough that I think I'm just going to put about a half a teaspoon. I can always add salt, but you sure can't take it out. And pepper. And this is just from the pepper shaker. So as you can see, they're starting to get okay. And I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of, well, heaping. Let's do a heaping of garlic, and this is the garlic, the squeezed garlic, organic. See if you can see it there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let this saute for just a few more minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm just going to pour in black-eyed peas. I didn't soak them or anything. Just throw them in there. Coat them a little bit. Get them coated. I've got some free-range chicken, organic stock chicken that was in my refrigerator. I'm going to say this is going to be about a cup. And then I didn't have any more beef, so I've got a little bit, any chicken, so I've got some beef. I know y'all going to say, oh no, but I promise you it'll taste real good. I'm going to do enough just to cover it, like probably half of it where it's covered. A little bit more than covered, where it's just about covered. So I think this is like a half of this beef, and this was a, let's see, this is 32 ounces, so half of that. So that would end up with, it would be a total of the 32 ounces of one. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got the peas, got everything, the liquid in it. I'm going to put the lid on. And I'm canceling that where I had on saute. And now I'm going to put it on just the regular pressure cook. And I'm going to do it normal high. I'm doing it for 30 minutes. So let me get this up to 30 minutes. Hey Molly. And it's started. So here we go. Wait 30 minutes. We'll be back. Wish us luck. But I know it's got to be really good with all those ingredients. As I said, I put olive oil, crushed garlic, or the minced garlic, salt and pepper. I did organic beef stock and organic chicken, just enough. It probably was like a 1/4 there, but enough of it would be like a whole 32 ounce. If you feel like it's not enough in there, just add a little more, one or the other. So we hope this will turn out great like I think it will be. And I did say I put butter in the bottom of the pan with the olive oil. We'll be right back when it gets through. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you, don't forget to seal it. Right there. Make sure it's sealed and not on vent. I'll be right back. It's counting down. Hey guys, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm getting ready to do, I'm going to let the steam off. And I'm putting a cloth over it. Hope you can hear me okay. So it doesn't, all the steam goes out. But it does smell very good when you do that. So once that little toggle tops down, and you'll probably hear it, We'll see. Just give it a second or two, and it should be done in a couple minutes. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, open it up. They are great. Now they're a little drier than what I wanted, so I would have put a little bit more of the liquid in it. It's the beef broth or chicken broth. So anyway, they turn out good. My husband could not wait to do video because he thought they were phenomenal. So he's eating them now. So I think you would like these. Put a little bit more of the beef broth or chicken broth in it, enough to cover it a little bit more, maybe an inch or so. But they are good, and he's happy, and you probably hear him in the background. Hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile if you do. You might get one back. Love you guys. Until tomorrow.